Alright, everyone sit back, relax, Joe. We are clear this back.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Welcome for this village train, making one stop only. For Captain Hook and Scar only. Captain Hook and Scar only. Just follows large white arrows painted on the ground, only just on one wheel. Exit. Touch white arrows 15 miles per hour, 5 seconds. If you have any car issues, walk back to the car, the second part, we'll drop you off, like now security, drive by, so you question me, then yes, I'm talking to you to assist you. Once again, making just one stop only for Captain Hook and Scar. For the moment, sit back, relax. Remember to hold on to your children and if you goes as a scrimmage approach and starts and stops. By driver will be making a short U-turn up ahead once it comes to a full and complete stop, all of Captain Hook. Will be to the driver's left, all of Scar driver's right. Please remain seated till he comes down fully. Please stop holding onto your children and loose articles as this tram is approached and starts and stops. Once you do exit this tram, please make your way through those orange safety posts as quickly safely as possible. Please set up your strollers inside the parking lot, please. Driver, stay